Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue channel, and today I'm doing the Amaya Raine swimsuit video with Dory's Dollies. And I just wanted to show this girl who, oh yeah, she does have her swimsuit on. She just has this little crocheted skirt covering it. And she has actually been to Florida more than once, down on the beach in Fort Myers with Daisy, my little travel Blythe doll. I want to call attention to the stand. Darren makes these. I think they are the cutest thing. Where he actually makes a bigger one with a little beach, like up on the sand, and then there's a little beach around, a little water around it. But he makes the little sea creatures and everything 3D printed. We're giving 2 of these away for the virtual Blythe retreat that Tammy, Polly, and Terry Jeanette are hosting. But I wanted to show you some more of my, excuse me, Rainbow High in the swimsuit collection. I have a few. I collect in boxes if I don't have something going on for the doll itself. I think these are absolutely gorgeous dolls. I think that's the same one. Oh, here's this girl. This is how she came, and then I took her out because she went to the beach. And who else do we have here? Another blue. And I should bring these down and show them a little better. Let me sit her down and hope she doesn't fall down the steps. So I only have the 3. I think there were 6 in the series. And as you can see, I bought them on clearance. These are absolutely gorgeous dolls. Thank you, Dory, so much for these monthly challenges with the Rainbow High dolls and Shadow High dolls. We call it Amaya Raine Day, but it's actually any Shadow High or Rainbow High doll that you would like to show. If you have a video today, as always, please leave it in my comments so that I'd be sure to see it. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.